The filled and stoppered vials will be sealed with aluminium flip-off seal. The next phase of seed propagation will be carried out in a single-use wave bioreactor, a rocker base unit containing a bag holder with heating capabilities. Consumables for aseptic connections and its availability has to be ensured. Once samples dilution is done, analyst adds reagents to particular dilution and samples will be incubated in heating block for 37 degrees for 60 minutes. The second room in microbiology lab is for QCD34. These samples are analyzed in microbial limit testing room under biosafety cabinet by membrane filtration method. This process is carried out into different controlled areas which are in vitro cell culture lab and in vitro virology lab. After the line clearance, the visual inspector will start the visual inspection and it will be verified against black and white board in visual inspection table. After connecting the vessel, loads and calibration will be done. Inside the compounding area, prior to start CIP, vessel will be connected to skid. After completion of load preparation, the loading process will start as per the validated load pattern and loaded into autoclave. Through SS trays, it is loaded in conveyor for visual inspection of vial defects, which is done manually. Then, those vials are moved to stoppering station. The vials are stoppered. After that, visual inspection inspector will take line clearance for visual input activity. Isolator has specific load pattern to perform surface decontamination of the articles used for sterility testing. And then analyst gets the standards to check against the sample. Vials will be washed with the recycled water. The washed vials will be sterilized by passing through continuous depyrogenation tunnel. After completion of sealing activity, CCIT is carried out. Once the vials are visually inspected, it goes to packing. Here, raw water is being stored in 200 kiloliter tank with ClO2 treatment. In 8 kiloliter tank, cold WFI purified water is stored after cooling through heat exchanger. For equipment like incubator shaker, centrifuge, and water bath that are required crucially for vial thaw activity is initiated prior to the vial thaw activity. This test is done in isolator system in which it is a closed testing method using Steritist Symbio pump. Those two vials will be incubated into different conditions for 14 days in which analyst will observe the result every day. The analyst will pellet down the cells. Now, the Excel sheet is reviewed by the reviewer and submits to the QA.